In fact, the diseases that we suffer today, the heart disease, the diabetes, the autoimmune diseases, some of the cancer, these used to be rare conditions that were called the diseases of kings. In the world of our ancient ancestors, getting enough to eat and not getting eaten was the biological imperative of life. It was difficult to get enough to eat. In fact, most human beings that were born, modern humans, probably didn't live to reproduce. We're the results of the winners. Taking a biological adaptation, something that's natural to the body, and applying it in a situation where people had consistent exposure to dietary excess.
When you say dietary excess, you mean too much calories?
In fact, the diseases that we suffer today, the heart disease, the diabetes, the autoimmune diseases, some of the cancer, these used to be rare conditions that were called the diseases of kings. It was the wealthy elite kings that could consistently overeat, that would get the gout, that would get the heart disease. They've become common conditions because now people are consistently being exposed to dietary excess. And more importantly, we're fooling our brain satiety mechanisms into overeating by putting chemicals in our food. And as a consequence, we have a situation today where 76% of people are overweight or obese. And the extra fat comes with something called visceral fat. They have 2 pounds of visceral fat, and that visceral fat is giving off inflammatory products that's causing heart disease, cancer, diabetes, autoimmune diseases.